everybody, I'm so excited to share with you guys that I won a giveaway. I won this giveaway from Alyssa Pope. I will link her channel down below. She was doing a birthday giveaway and she had 3 different bundles that people could win, and I'm so excited I actually won one. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got, and let's do this. So first she threw in these little Christmas like fleece line lounging socks. They're really thick and warm and soft, super cute. And I got this little bag filled with goodies. I have 2 Sephora sheet masks. I have never tried sheet masks from Sephora. I've actually been getting into using my sheet masks. This one is a matcha tea, which I love matcha teas. And which one's this for? Mattifying and clarifying. And then I got a pomegranate one, which is for energizing and toning. So excited to use these. This is from Dior. I got some lip samples. It even comes with a little brush. I'm gonna keep that brush. And really pretty colors, like 2 reds and 2 nudes. Excited to try these out. And it even comes with a mirror. Like, they're really bougie with their sample. I have a hair mask. I could always use hair masks. My hair is so dry. And this is TGIN. So it's a honey miracle and intense conditioning, heal, and hydrate, just what I need. This is from Drunk Elephant. It's a shampoo and conditioner. Excited to try this, and it's for like the conditioners to moisturize and repair, cleanse and balance. And another one from Verb, and it's called the Ghost Shampoo and Conditioner. So, and then I have a perfume sample from Tom Ford. This is called Fume. I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm not very I don't know much about perfumes, but I love getting these whenever like I'm on Sephora and you could pick like free samples. I'm always picking the perfume. I want to spray it. I'm really bad at describing scents though. This definitely smells like more of a nighttime scent. Kind of spicy, but I smell the powder as well. I have to let it sit for a little bit to see how it's not normally what I go for, but I'll let it sit and we'll see, but I'll still use it. It's exciting to try Tom Ford perfume. I got this serum from Glow. It's a growth factor cell repairing serum. So I know I could use that. My skin has been acting up lately. It gives you a whole bunch of information. Here it is right here. I'm just gonna put it on my hands. I love skincare. It's not really scented, but it does feel hydrating. So yes, love skincare. I do skincare every night and morning. So I got a primer. This is from Becca Skin Love, the Brightening and Blur Primer. And I did actually use this today. And I love like smoothing blur, you know, blurring primers. So happy to have that. When, you know, we can no longer get Becca, so this is nice. And this is another sample, but it looks more like deluxe size from JLo Beauty. Never tried anything from her brand. And her brand's expensive. This is the multitasking serum for tightening and brightening. Cute little packaging. It kind of looks like a moisturizer. I can't really smell anything, but excited to use this as well. Now, how cool is this? Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. And I'm not sure what the shades are. Well, the blush is Golden Coral and the highlighter is All Over Glow and 01 Light. Really cute packaging. And here they are. They're like the perfect size and they're both so pretty. I used the blush. I think it's just so pretty. I love this color. It doesn't really look coral to me. It looks more of that baby doll pink blush, which if you guys know me, you know I love. And it has a glow to it, but it's not too much. And the highlighter's gorgeous too. It's like perfect, just what I like. Not too blinding, very smooth. It gives you a really pretty glow. She gave me this headband, and I do enjoy wearing headbands from time to time. So excited to have this. Actually gonna wear it. No, why not? I need more blue. I don't have a lot of like blue in my clothing. I do need some blue. This eyeshadow palette from Cab Cosmetics, I didn't actually get this in the BoxyCharm. I know BoxyCharm was giving this out, and I have tried other things from Cab Cosmetics. I have like a face palette, like a bronzer face palette, and I want to say I have like lip oil as well, but didn't get an eyeshadow palette, and this is really pretty for this time of year. Very warm with the purples and the orangey colors. I think this is really pretty, well-balanced palette. So I didn't try this yet, but I'm excited to. I actually want to do a video soon using some of these products. Now, she gave me a little mirror, and now this is really cute. It kind of looks like vintage to me. A little compact, and to keep in like my purse. Oh, you just press the button to open. And I'm not going to blind you, but you have a really close-up mirror and just a regular mirror. So this will be really handy to throw into my purse. This is from Kate Somerville. I have tried a couple of her skincare, and I really do enjoy this high-end skincare. An intensive exfoliating treatment. So what I gather from reading the packaging, it's kind of like the Ordinary, the red one, you know, that looks like what everyone uses, or the Drunk Elephant one. I can't even think what they're called, but you leave it on for like a couple minutes and rinse off, and it's supposed to help exfoliate your skin. So you're only supposed to use this like once or twice a week. I actually want to try this tonight. So very excited to have this. Now these are cool. I don't have anything like this. It is facial globes. It's packaging to store them. And I've seen people use these. How cool. You can like throw them in the freezer and just like massage your face, especially under your eyes if they're really puffy in the morning. I'm sure there's like a certain technique you could use these, but I'm rubbing makeup off on them. But I am excited to use these, and I do enjoy products like these, especially under my eyes. And I can also store these in my skincare fridge. I did get some lashes, so I don't really use lashes, but in her video, she said if there's anything that you don't like or something you don't use, you feel free to give it to somebody, and she will not be offended. So I may, you know, store these and give them to somebody, or maybe I'll try them. I don't know. They are really pretty. One looks more natural and one's more like full and thick. So I don't know, we'll see. I will hold on to them. Now, I'm so excited for this. I did use it today. The Tarte Little Toasted palette. You guys know how much I've been loving Tarte, and I do not have the Tarte Toasted palette. And this is the mini. I want to say last year for holiday they had like gift sets with all their like classic palettes in like the little minis, but these aren't really minis. This is a pretty decent sized palette, and I thought it was really pretty for like a quick everyday more warm toasted look. We have a MAC lipstick, and this is Lustering. It's a luster lipstick. I think I own one MAC lipstick, and let's do a swatch. A really pretty fun color. I love these colors. Oh, it's actually more balmy. Okay, so I was thinking it would be different. I love this. This is so pretty. I love wearing these types of colors in the summer, but it's kind of sheer. So I think it's so pretty. I love it. I do have a hand cream, and I think I'm going to keep this in my car because my hands get so dry, especially from work washing pots and pans. Like when we get into like, when it gets really cold out, my hands will start to crack. So I could always use this, and it feels really thick and hydrating, but not too thick. And it smells really fresh. It has a citrus scent, so it's like energizing. Yeah. Definitely gonna keep this in my car or my purse so I could get some use out of it. This I actually put on earlier, is the Frank Body Lip Tint Cherry Bomb in Never Just Been Kissed. In this little tube. I put this on earlier. I really like this too because it gives you just a tint, really pretty. Like, my lips are just so dry right now, so definitely love products like this. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova, and I believe I have this. I believe I got this in a BoxyCharm a while ago, so I will put this aside, but really pretty. This you could like mix in with your lotion in the summertime and give yourself like an all over body glow. Really pretty. My cat's looking into the box. She wants to see what I got. I got an eyeliner from Aesthetica in black, and I did use it today. It is a felt, and I do have a tricky time with felt, but I feel like I got it to work, and it's really, really black, and I think it worked good. I just, you know, I need practice with my felt tip. My cat's in the box. Come on, little one. I have a Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Pep Talk. Now this shade's a little different, not something I'm used to, but I think I could like use a lip liner to, you know, alter the shade. But it is a kind of a cool color. I don't have anything like this. It's like very peachy nude. So definitely could play around with that. And I don't have any Morphe lip products, so I think it's cool. I do have this from Amika. I know this is a high-end like hair care line, and it's called Undone Volume Matte Texture Spray. So excited to use this. I heard their products smell really good, so happy to have that. Happy to have everything. A Pixie Mineral Bronze Duo. I feel like these are more like eyeshadow duo, and I did swatch them, and I would definitely, these are so like buttery smooth, and I feel like for a quick eyeshadow look, just using these two shades would be really, really pretty for a quick everyday look. They're so smooth, like buttery. And then this from Pure, when they did the collab with Barbie, it's a glittery brightening peel off mask. I did have this at one time, so I'm not sure if I'll keep this or set it aside, but this is really cool. I remember using it, and it's like pink with glitter, and it's really fun. I think if like my daughter, or like if you have kids and they're having a sleepover, like back in the day, girls would do their makeup and do facials, this would be a really fun product for that. And the last product is from First Aid Beauty. I've tried a couple products from this brand, but not many, but I do know that they're very like good for your skin. And this is a rescue mask, smooth and de-stress. But I believe this is something you could leave on like overnight. So yeah, I'm definitely going to use this tonight too, because I could use all the help right now. And she did also give me a thank you card, you know, for supporting her channel. But I definitely recommend you guys checking out her channel. She does awesome videos. She's really good with her Halloween content. She just did a video rating all her looks that she's done, and that was really fun to watch. Like, she talks about behind the scenes, like all the work she did to put into the videos. Really cool. She does empties, a lot of tutorials. She's very detailed with her tutorials. She's very, like I said, she's very talented. She has an easy to watch personality, and I think that's huge with YouTube. Like, when you find somebody, like if you find someone you like, you could probably watch anything that they come out with, and she's kind of like that. And she's also a big fan of Disney. She has a lot of Disney vlogs, and on her TikTok as well, she does like rating different Disney foods. I've never been to Disney. I always wanted to. But yeah, definitely check out her channel. It has great content. And her mother, Chrissy Pope, is, I'm sure if you guys are like my friend or in my circle, you know who Christy is. So yeah, if you're not already, please subscribe to Alyssa. But anyways, guys, that is it. Thanks so much for seeing what I got. And yeah, stay tuned. I want to do a video using some of these products. Maybe I'll do like, I don't know. I want to do like skincare and makeup, but I don't want to make the video too long. We'll see. We'll see what I figure out. But anyways, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.